Your most private moments have been exposed. It feels like the world is crashing down on you, tension is high, BP is high, and you do not know what to do. First, breathe in, because in this video I'll walk you through what to do step by step if somebody leaks your nudes so you can regain control of your life. Stay with me because this is critical information. Now let's face it, in the digital age, privacy breaches are more common than ever. But when it happens to you, it feels personal and devastating. I know you are feeling embarrassed, angry, or even scared right now, but I want you to know something. You are not alone, and this is not your fault. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a clear plan of action. We'll tackle everything with actionable steps you can take to regain your confidence. My name is Happy Amera. Let's get right into it. Before we proceed, there is a saying that precaution is better than cure, and the best way to stop this is to actually prevent it from happening. Why would you take a sensitive picture of yourself? Like, why? Like, tell me. Tell me, why will you take a sensitive picture of yourself? That act should never happen because the media doesn't forget. Have you ever wondered why in action movies, after the deal is done, they break the phone and destroy it completely? This is to make sure every piece of evidence is destroyed, and even with that, if the other party gets hold of it, even when deleted, they can recover that information. Anything you post on the internet lasts forever and it's not deleted even when you delete the post. All the data has been stored in a server somewhere and can be retrieved. So please do not take sensitive pictures of yourself or allow anyone to do so, no matter what. In fact, do not keep anything of that sort on your devices. You may not know who may get hold of it and use it against you. When it comes to matters like this, trust no one. Now, enough of the precautions. Let's just say, worst case scenario, the damage has been done. Your photos or your videos are out there on the internet and everybody has seen your most sensitive and private parts. What do? Now, the first thing you need to do is to stop the spread. As soon as you find out that your nudes have been leaked, act fast. Here is how. Number 1, document evidence. Take screenshots of the leaked content. Note the date, time, and platform in which your leak has been posted, and if possible, capture the user profile or link where it was shared. You need this for reporting and legal purposes later. Trust me, this step is very crucial. Number 2 is to report the content. On social media, use the social media or the particular platform's reporting tools. For example, on Facebook, you click on the 3 dots beside the post, click on report post, choose bullying, harassment, and abuse, and choose which option best describes your situation and click on submit. The process is quite similar to most of the social media platforms, so you can easily follow through. On websites, look for a contact us or DMCA takedown request link. To Google, submit a request to remove explicit content from the search results. Now, most of these platforms take these reports very seriously and will act quickly to remove these explicit contents. Once you've reported the content, it's time to protect yourself from further exposure. Here is what you can do. Number 1, secure your account. Now, at this step, you have to change all your passwords and enable 2-factor authentication or 2FA, and check for suspicious activities on your accounts, because if somebody leaked your nudes, they might have accessed your devices or your accounts, so you have to lock down everything immediately. Number 2 is to monitor your online presence. Now, set up Google alerts for your name. Regularly search your name and images to spot any reposts and report them. Now, staying vigilant would help you catch any reports early and take necessary actions. Now, let's talk about holding the person responsible accountable. We should know that leaking someone's nudes is illegal in most places and you have the right to take legal action. Number 1 is to contact a lawyer or legal aid. by consulting a professional to help you understand your rights. In Ghana, you can report the incident to the Cybercrime Unit of the Ghana Police Service. You can also report it to the Ghana Cybersecurity Authority (CSA) or the Ghana Internet Safety Foundation (GISF), and they would be of great help. Leaking private photos falls under privacy violations and sometimes cyber harassment. Know that the law is on your side. Number 2 is to file a complaint. Provide the evidence you collected earlier. Now cooperate with authorities to build your case so that they can arrest the person or take necessary actions. You have to know that justice might take time, but taking legal action sends a strong message. This is where HIVE comes in. The sponsor of this video is a professional body of cybersecurity experts who can help you vastly, ranging from professional advice on what to do in these daring situations, and even further to use digital forensics tool to help track down and locate these people and get them arrested as soon as possible. Contact HIVE using the details in the description. Now, in conclusion, if somebody has leaked your nudes, remember that you are not to be blamed. You are the victim of someone else's bad choice, but you can take steps to protect yourself and rise above this. In the nutshell, do not take private or sensitive pictures of yourself. Do not allow somebody to take those pictures, and do not even store them or send them to anybody, no matter what. I hope this video gave you the clarity and confidence to take action. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more content that empowers you. If you need additional support, check the description for helpful links and resources. Together, we can create a safer, more responsible and respectful online world. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.